This is the only model kit in the world that comes with genuine Mars Regolith simulant, the same material NASA uses to test real rovers. I'm Justin, founder of MICRO-CRUX, where we make model kits inspired by the greatest stories in space exploration. Our first kit is Opportunity, based on the rover that lasted 14 years on Mars before going silent in 2018. I've been obsessed with space since I was a kid, and I wanted to make something that captures that same excitement in tiny form. Designed in my home workshop using official NASA documentation, each kit comes with precision printed parts, a detailing set, an assembly guide, and of course, real Martian regolith simulant. This simulant matches the mineral makeup of Martian soil and is the same type used by NASA to simulate the Martian surface. The Kickstarter goes live September 2nd, but you can sign up now to be notified and get 20% off your first kit. The campaign ends September 22nd and kits officially ship in October. Back the project, build your rover, and claim your little piece of Martian history.